This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? As you guys seen in the intro, man, today's video is being sponsored by Cat Beast. Now, for all my guys out there who love to rock your hats, man, whether you like them to go with your outfit, whether you like them to go with your sneakers, what I want you to do, head over to catbeast.com. You can make your own custom hats, however you like them, from the bucket hats to the regular joints with the brim. It's all on you, man. Creativity is all on you. I want you to head over there. It's linked down below in the description. Tell them that your boy Snapper Jones sent you through there, man. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you are having a great day. I am having an amazing day because I am able to bring you this Air Max 97. Now, for people who don't know, Air Max had this amazing concept where they got a lot of finalists from all over the place, man. They got finalists from New York, London, Paris, Tokyo, and Seoul. And basically what they did was they picked only 18 contestants from those areas, and they had to design their own Air Max sneaker. The dopest part about it is the Air Max sneaker that they designed had to have some type of home influence inside the sneakers. Now, y'all all know, man, I am from Cleveland. I say it with my chest. I am super happy to be from my city, and if I was ever blessed enough to have the opportunity to make a sneaker, it would have so much home influence in that shoe. It would be crazy. I think I would throw something fire. So if anybody out there, hey, let me know. I'm willing. So as you guys know, the voters had voted 1 per city, so 6 winners, and that is why it's 6 Air Maxes. And Nike gave us all an opportunity to vote for what we wanted. And also, if you voted, you had early access to buy your sneakers. So say if you voted for the Air Max 97 that I'm about to show you guys today, you had early access to buy that sneaker. And then of course it has the original release date for everybody else to get their chance. Today I am showing you guys the Air Max 97, and I cannot pronounce the contestant name or the designer's name. It's not a contestant, he actually won, but I know his last name is pronounced Shin, and I'ma just say Shin. So in the video, if I relate to Shin, it is the designer of this Nike 97. So without further interruptions, let's see the sneaker. Here we have it, man. This is the box that it come in. And as you can see right there on that box, it says Nike on Air. Now, before we get into this unboxing or this review, I want to say a huge shout out to ATL. She let me use this pair to be able to show you guys today. So if you are looking for any heat, she gets it all. Anything you need, she will be linked down below. That is her IG. DM her, let her know that your boy Snapper Jones sent you through, and she will definitely look out for you. Anything from limited pairs to general release pairs, she got you, okay? She got you. So this pair here, like I said, and as you seen in the thumbnail, is the Air Max 97, and I thought that this was easily the best out of all of the sneakers that they had to offer. So let's see what it's looking like. Now we're gonna peel this back together. Y'all know how we do. Blow, and it has a card right here. Y'all see this Nike card, and the Nike card is just basically neon lights, just like some audio display, and it has like some writing in the back, but I do not know what this is for. If you guys know what the writing on the back is for, because it looked like they want you to write something right there on that side, I don't know, just let me know, because I have no idea. Kind of dope. I know I really don't like to talk about the paper that it's wrapped in, but I just think that it's a dope touch. So what they did was they put all of the actual cities that were able to be contested in this competition on the wrapping paper. So on the wrapping paper, man, you got London, Paris, Seoul, New York City, Tokyo. It's all on the wrapping paper, and that's a dope touch, man, because like I said, it picked 6 winners out of all of those places. So let's go ahead and get these out, man. I want y'all to see both of these sneakers. We ain't gonna keep just one in there. We're gonna take both out, and here you have it, man. These are the Nike Air Max 97 Soul. Now, the creator, the designer, Shin, huge shouts out to you, bro, because you absolutely killed this sneaker. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, each and every last designer had to do something that kind of was inspired by their hometown. And due to my research after reading on these Air Max 97s, Shin's idea was to use the neon lights that he see glows like late at night in his city to kind of affect that and put that on the sneaker. As you guys can see, it has this huge oversized Nike swoosh right here on the upper, and the lines or the colorway that's going throughout the entire upper are these amazing dope neon colors that's just, man, like it brings attention to your feet as soon as you throw them on. Now also, the reason why the shoe is predominantly black is because he says when it's darkest, that's when you see the neon light shine the brightest. So of course you get this predominantly black shoe and these amazing lights going throughout the entire sneaker, because that's kind of what he sees when he look out his window and when he look into his neighborhood. Now, as you guys know, man, you know I love giving you guys these Air Max reviews. I don't really feel like it's a lot of them out there, and even though I don't own a lot of Air Max, I am a huge Air Max fan. Now, the reason why I don't have this pair, or the reason why I didn't go after this pair, the 97 model is way too big in my size. I wear a size 12 and I'm only 5'10", man, so these things look extra long and just like some clown shoes on my feet. But I absolutely love the Air Max 97 model. One of my favorite things about the Air Max 97 model is always the 3M that's right here on the uppers, and this shoe is definitely something that I would rock just because of, number one, I like the whole creativeness that's inside of it, but number two, the colorway is definitely something that I like. I even like the, what was those? The South Beach Air Max 97s. I thought those was fire. So a lot of people don't know, Seoul is the capital of South Korea, and Shin chose this colorway of these Nike Air Max 97s to be the same colorway as the South Korean flag. So once again, that is him putting some small touches on his hometown. But now I'm about to dive into a closer review and just give y'all a better up close look on these sneakers. On the bottom of this sneaker, you get this predominantly black outer sole with that neon Nike swoosh at the bottom forefront of the shoe. Moving on the midsole of the sneaker, it's once again all black. The designer Shin wanted it to be all black so you can see the neon lights pop from afar, and you definitely can with this sneaker. If you flip it over to the inside of the shoe, you can see that Nike swoosh tucked right up under the midsole of the sneaker and that nice reddish neon colorway. Moving up to the uppers on the other side of the sneaker, you see this huge oversized Nike swoosh. This is what I think got a lot of people's attention right off the bat. When you're choosing the sneaker and when you're choosing which one was the best, I think that this Nike swoosh really stood out. Honestly, in the photos, I thought it was like double swoosh. I thought it was two swooshes like on top of each other. I thought that would have been a dope look too, I'm not gonna lie. Moving along to the uppers, which is the dopest thing about the sneaker, is once again that amazing dope neon lighting that you see going up throughout the entire upper of the shoe. Now you get this like this soft blue, and then you get this like this hyper pink, almost like a reddish pink. It's hard to explain, but it really does pop, and I can only imagine throwing these things on in the summertime. Along with the hints of this silent soft gray, it just sets it apart and it's really dope. It's actually like the same color of a neon light when it's first turned off. Of course, we all know it's like that regular, like a light bulb type fixture colorway. That is definitely incorporated in the sneaker as well. The laces on this shoe is of course 3M. On one tongue of the shoe it says Seoul, and the other one, of course, the Nike swoosh. Definitely a great sneaker to have in your collection, and also definitely a nice Air Max 97 to have, man. If you guys actually voted for this shoe, then you got the opportunity to buy it if you were in time, because a lot of sizes sold out fast. Let me know if any of you guys pulled the trigger on these. Are you happy about them? Did you not like them? If you had an opportunity to create a shoe, how would you do it, and what sneaker would you do it to? Me personally, y'all know I would definitely go for a pair of foam posits. I know y'all probably like, what? You crazy? But hey, look, it's my shoe. I would definitely want to do something with a foam. That's the reason why I'm here in front of you guys today. The foam posit is definitely coming home to your boy. Anyways, guys, man, I think these are fire. Don't forget to head over to I'm So ATL, and if any of you guys picked up any of these dope Air Maxes, be sure to protect them with this Rejuvenator water stain repellent. Just spray it down, wait 6 hours, and your feet are war ready for just about anything, man. Rejuvenator will also be linked down below in the description of the video. Use my discount code SNIPER and you will receive 10% off. Now, for all of my Air Max fans out there, I will have more of these exclusive Air Max that dropped. Trust me, man, more reviews coming soon. If you're interested in these, please hit that subscribe button. I do have some other pairs worth copping coming very soon. More videos dropping. I'm actually dropping another one tomorrow. So thank you guys once again, man. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.